Larry's Garden, and joining us now is Larry O'Neill. Today he's telling us all about
composting.
How exciting!
It's going to be fall, you know, so what do we do with all these leaf debris and all the stuff we picking up out of our garden?
We don't just leave it there till we get fined by our homeowner association.
Exactly. You know, composting is some of the greatest things you could do for your garden. There's nothing better. It's just the natural recycling of the leaf debris, your table scraps, and all those things. Right, exactly. It's just, you know, going back into the dirt, you know, and you can save money doing this. You don't have to buy expensive fertilizer. So some of the great things about it, it's a slow release. The best gardens are always composted gardens if you got the time. Here, you know, here's what I've taken a trash can here, and this is a really simple. You know, this thing costs, you know, around, they can get in a trash can for around $10 to $16. And what I did is taking a spade bit, and you know, one of these paddle bits, just like that.
Plenty of those.
And then go, I'm sure you do. You know, drill right into there, make some holes all the way around the trash can. Also, you want to make sure you have some in the bottom. You know, so you got maybe 10 to 16. Yeah, let it the water. So the next step is this: is when you get it all set up, you want to get some bricks. Something like this, you want to have a platform to set on. What that is, in case the water drains through there, okay? Most animals can't get through that. So then the next thing is after you've raked all your stuff up and you have some stuff left over, you know, that you want to put in the trash can, you want to create these layers.
Okay.
And here's some, you know, palm leaves, sable palm leaves, right, exactly. Some holly leaves, some wisteria vine, just anything that's green and debris. You know, you can put wood in there, you know, wood chips, but you got to make sure it's finely milled up, kind of, so fine debris. Old mulch, paper, and then your vegetables or your table scraps, excluding the meat. So, right. Okay. So you want to create this layer just like this, about maybe 3 to 4 inches deep on the bottom. And the next thing you want to do is take your mill organite or your green edge. You can get this at Ace Hardware, and you want to put a little strip of it there, just like that. And then you want to build another layer. What this does is accelerate the decomposition. Okay. You know, it stimulates the bacteria, and this will take probably around 4 to 6 months, depends on the temperature. Once you get this all built up, you want to, in your trash can, you want to wet it. Okay.
With a hose?
With a hose, yeah. Okay. Not unless you want to keep a bucket. But got that all set up. It's going to start the decomposition cycle. You don't want it soaking wet. Now, what the next thing is air. It needs air.
Air and water?
Right. You want to make
kind of needy compost, Larry.
It needs a few things. But, you know, what you do is get your duct tape, take this, you know, lay it on its side and roll it back around. You know, a lot of times people used to use pitchforks and turn it over like that. Roll it back around 3 or 4 times. Okay. You need to do that maybe once every week.
Go out and roll your trash can on Saturdays.
Yeah, that's it. Roll your trash can on Saturdays. But, you know, normally a compost bin like this is going to be about, you know, $150. And you can make this for around, $20, $30. And after this gets done, you know, you have stacked up down there, up to there, it's going to be down to there. And this will be the absolute best thing for your vegetable garden or your plant garden. If you want, you need another situation, you know, you had some old chicken wire, you can make one out of this just by taking some old rebar, wrap it around there, and just layer your stuff just like that. Stick it in the ground. When you're done, you can take it up.
But you can't go out and roll this one around.
No, you're gonna have to use a pitchfork. You have to have an opening.
Not as much fun for the neighbors.
Right. You opening, flip it around, and you're in business with compost all season long.
Thank you so much, Larry. You're giving us all the secrets and saving us money.
Right, exactly. And you have some place to put all the leaf debris.
Exactly. Well, if you want more information on composting, you can always log on to Larry's